I'm Don. With the Makita XGT 40 volt 6.5 inch saw, I would not ever need to pull out a cord to do the work that I do throughout the day.
I'm Brandon, and I do layout and I do framing. The XGT 40 volt 6.5 sure is lighter, and the cuts I can do it faster.
What I like about the Makita 40 volt is how smooth it cuts. This is the smoothest cutting saw that I've used.
It's lighter, and I can use it on second floors, on the bottom.
With this much power, you won't be needing a cord.